After you signing in to your TurboTax account under turbotax.intuit.com, on this window, click on the search button at the top right of your screen. On the search bar, typing in for underpayment of taxes. Then hit the enter or return button on your keyboard. These search results will appear, then hit this jump to underpayment of taxes button. As of right now, I do not have any underpayment penalties, but if you did, usually TurboTax will let you know on how many penalty that you have for underpayment of your estimated taxes. Either way, to file Form 2210, you may just hit the continue button and do adjustment according to your need until you reach the page called annualized income method. When you reach the page, you want to agree for TurboTax to annualize your income. This way, usually TurboTax can help you lower your underpayment penalty or even ask for a waiver. Then, you may start to insert your earning for each quarter manually later on. Keep in mind that there is no guarantee it will lower the underpayment penalty. Keep paying attention to what TurboTax recommend for you to see if it's beneficial or not. If you still have any question, just comment down below, and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.